My dear viewers, my greetings and also my wishes to all of you watching my channel, that is Jacinda Spoken English channel, with videos and shorts. In every short or in every video, we have got some tips, few tips, a few hints will be always there in every video. So if you are able to spend some time to listen to the videos, you will be able to develop your spoken English because listening is a skill, which I had already said. Listening is a skill for spoken English. We have got listening, reading, writing, and speaking. So we can start with listening, that is, listening to the videos of Jacinda Spoken English. You'll be able to get few tips, few points for your day to day dialogue so that our day to day dialogue will be always pleasant, perfect, and also interesting and impressive also. So our dialogue can be interesting only when we are very sure of the words and phrases. Words and phrases always play a major role in our dialogue. Words and phrases as well as questions and answers. When they are done well, correctly, perfectly, and even continuously. So when we give break, pause in our conversation, that shows that we are not very sure. Our language is not correct, not proper, not up to the standard. That is why very often some of us give a pass, giving time for us to think and speak. When we give pauses like this for thinking and planning and speaking, our language or our day to day dialogue will not be an excellent one, will not be appealing to others, will not captivate the thoughts of others, will not get the attention of others. So when we speak with our friends and relatives, even what we speak should satisfy ourselves. Our voice, the words which we use, the terms, everything should be correct in such a way that the speaker must be satisfied. Then only the listener can feel they enjoy it, can get the satisfaction of listening. And it is always give and take policy, no? So it should go from one person to another person. It should be done well. It should be done in an excellent way. Then only our day to day dialogue can be an excellent one. So for this, what we speak must be correct. Words and phrases must be properly chosen according to the situations, according to the persons who are involved in the conversation, and according to the place in which we are treating, in which we are using, which we are using to speak, the place, the situation, and also the persons involved. All these matter have got some importance in our proper choice of words and phrases, and also questions and answers. So phrases are some phrases are very simple. Like early in the morning is a phrase which we very often use. I got up early in the morning today, so I am really very tired. Tired of working, we say. Tired of working hard. Tired of learning. Tired of writing. Tired of even listening. So we are fully tired and we are fully exhausted, we say. Exhausted in the sense our energy is fully gone. So we say, I am really exhausted today because of getting up early in the morning and because of my hard work, because of my continuous strain and pain. I have taken a lot of strain and pain, we say, to do some work maybe. So from the early morning, we start working and we involve ourselves with some work maybe. So we spend our time and mind and energy also. When all these are spent, our energy, our mind, and also time, when all these are involved, sometimes we feel exhausted. Exhausted means we feel very tired. I'm fully exhausted because of my hard work from the early morning. I got up very early this morning. So from the early morning till now, maybe around 10 o'clock, we tell our friends or people at home, I'm very tired. I'm really tired. Oh, I'm really tired. I'm fully exhausted. I can do no more. Nothing more can be done. I'm tired, we say. I'm fully tired. I feel very thirsty. So when we are thirsty, we drink a lot of water. We take a bottle of water, maybe a cup of water, a bottle of water, a liter of water, we take. We don't say a water, but we always say a cup of water, a liter of water, a sip even. Sometimes we take few drops of water so that we are again rejuvenated. We get the energy again. We come back to ourselves after taking it. Little water maybe, or a cup of water, a bottle of water, or even a hot cup of coffee. We get again energized and we start to work. We may tell all these to our friend maybe whom we meet in the evening. Oh, today morning, from morning till now, I'm working, go on working, continuously I'm working, so I'm fully tired, I'm fully exhausted, I'm tired of working. So let us have a good time now, let us enjoy now, let us have fun and frolic, let us have fun and pleasure, let us forget ourselves, forget our work, and let us have fun. Let us enjoy. Let us have a good dinner in a good restaurant and be together. Our togetherness will surely kill my tiredness, and I will be able to continue my work from tomorrow. So, in this way, we can have an interesting conversation with our friends only when we have a good vocabulary, when we are able to use proper words and phrases, and when we have confidence in using them. Self trust will make us talk well, make us use many words, and make us talk freely, fluently, and also spontaneously. Without any thinking or without any planning, we can talk freely and spontaneously, expressing our thoughts and feelings to our friends and relatives and even to our co-workers. So let us give attention, importance to vocabulary and go through these videos, listen to spoken English videos which have got shorts also, making our day-to-day dialogue better and better and maybe an excellent. Bye.